Buenos dias. I actually don't feel the best. There's a virus going around ever since kids went back to school, and somehow my homeschool kids caught it. I'm not feeling awesome. But today on the agenda, we're going to be running some errands. Number one, I'm going to go to Trader Joe's. I'm going to go to Ross. My niece likes to say we have like a Morticia Adams kind of house aesthetic going. So just pick up some decor. Let's go. We have made it to Trader Joe's. Holy crap. I've never seen it so packed. Oh, I got these chicken breakfast sausages that I think that you're gonna like. Mouthfuls. See which one we like more. Salad. What about these? I highly recommend. You've probably seen them in my other hauls. For sauces, I got the mango chutney. So far we've been doing this for a week, and it actually, I haven't noticed a great difference. Maybe somebody said I'm supposed to maybe roll them before putting them in, but it makes the bathroom look pretty, at least, so don't mind that.
And do it all again. You know that I would. You know that I would. And if I could live it every night and do it all again. You know that I would. You know I would. You and I love so softly, like soft light on a Sunday afternoon. Where did I?
We have made it to our destination, aka the middle of nowhere. Pretty much just to test out Edward's ATVs, kind of get a feel for the vlog style that he wants to start creating and all of that. He's just kind of getting his feet wet with like the techie portion of things. I'm just trying to help him out, maybe ride a little bit, and yeah, we're gonna try and have some fun today. Just in time because the rain for the tropical storm or the hurricane has just begun. As you can see, we got some hurricane prep food, just restocking. When you get to the last piece, it is the best feeling ever. It is 5 o'clock, almost on the dot, and I'm ready to just be done. I'm gonna shower. I'm going to do my makeup and change because I'm just the kind of person where I need to feel put together, and in order to do that, I have to have fresh clothes on, a shower, just look presentable. That's just me. So down to the last one. Let's finish this. One thing that I love about this hairstyle is that it's just super duper easy to maintain. I don't have to worry about doing my hair in the morning. I don't have to worry about bad hair days. So this, at least for the next couple weeks, is going to be extremely helpful as we continue to get acclimated in our new lifestyle, going back to RV life. Here's the crazy part. My house is wrecked. My house is wrecked. It is a mess, an absolute mess. I have to clean.
Why do you always be my maybe, not the one I really wanna draw, not the one I'm gonna spend a Tuesday with, going on about nothing at all, nothing at all. On the ground out of shade. That's what you do to me. Like why the hell should
Today, I'm going to master riding the Suzuki with the help of Chris and my long-term boyfriend, Edward. But first we gotta get something to eat, so Boxy Park it is. We are almost done with our food. Getting ready to go ride, if these guys are still up for it, because it's kind of late at this point.
You see the red button?
Is this the kill switch?
You put it on. Alright. Look for the neutral. There's a half click up. Now you get on the bike.
I am strong.
I want you to lean the bike to the left and lean it to the right. Turn on. That's when you hear the fuel pump turning on.
Drunk and high.
How do you feel? The speed stop test. I wish you would speed a little more. Did a great job.
If you have not done the mindset work beforehand to understand that you will not get things on the very first try, this can be very disheartening, because I can do better.
You can, yes you can. Practice, repetition will come by itself. Master it. It's not a thing that happens overnight, another in a week. It takes time. But she's got a whole month to get ready before she goes to Biketoberfest. Huh?
Exactly. What the hell? It takes a lot of mental fortitude for you to do this, because there's so many failures involved in learning really any new skill. But you put yourself out there, you do the best that you can, you try again, you accept the process for what it is, and hopefully the next time you see me on a bike, I look a lot prettier, cleaner. I've got two pretty good teachers. That's it for tonight. I think we're good for tonight. This concludes the week in my life as a mom of four. I hope that you have enjoyed this vlog. I hope that it has shown you that you are not the only one that has busy or difficult weeks as a mom of four. It can be difficult, it can be lonely, and I 100% get it. I also wanted to leave you with just a little reminder. I just want to remind you that in your moments of solitude, in your moments where you feel like you're the only one going through this, no one hears you, God is so distant, I want you to know that He is closer than you know. I want you to know that He literally hears your every thought, your every whisper. If all you can muster is a whisper of Jesus, sometimes that is enough. And so I hope this is encouraging to you, and I will see you in the next video. Sweet nightmares, Beast fam.
Will always shine. I've wasted time, and if there's nothing left for me, I would go every place I could.